Right, so Richard's been making some new FitzBricks for 140s and 225s, laid flats, brick on edge, and it still works for the 100 mils as well. I'll just give you a quick demo of how to use it. I've been using it all week and it's just comes as well. Luckily enough, we've got the 140s, and I'm surprised no one's seen it in yesterday's video. If you watched it, I'm surprised no one noticed it, but we had a FitzBrick on the 140s, which you can't do with the older ones. But he's had so many requests for this that he's been trying to make this, and he's finally finished it, and he's asked me to show you lot as the site will be up and running, I think today or tomorrow. But I'll give you a quick demo of it, show you how it works, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. So here it is. What we've got is 2 penny screws. I have left them loose, and he does send you a penny with it, but I've lost it. So I've been using a slip tie. I have left them loose just for the sake of the video, but you can tighten it right up with a slip tie. So when it's on your 100 mil, you have it so that everything is tight together, so that these are tight together, so basically look, this comes back here like this, like that can move backwards and forwards. So you got you want to go about, see this part here, you want to go about 20 mil off, tighten it up, tighten that one up, and then hook it back over the top, and then you've got your 140s. Then obviously if you're doing your 215 walls or brick on edge, you just take the spring off again, take it back, loosen it, take them out, and then what you want to do is drag it all the way back to, I take it right back to there, so that the hole is at the edge of this here, and put that back in there, and then the other one in there. Tighten them up, tighten it up, and then we go back over the top, and then we've got our 215, and I've done it on all 3 and they work great. So again, if you want to put it onto your 115, to your 140, loosen them up, we'll go right back to about 20 mil off, which is about there, then we go back in, back in there, and that one in there. Obviously I'm not doing them super tight, but you want to get them tight for just to make sure they don't come loose. And then we'll go back over the top like that, and we're good for the 140s. And then for the 100 mils off again, take it off, slide it back, loosen it, and then what you want to do is just bring it so that you've got, so it comes right, so this this part here goes right up tight to the front. Tighten it back in, and this one back in. Tighten it back in, and then that back over the top, and then you're good for your 100 mils again. So any of you lads out there that have been looking for a FitzBrick that can do your 215s and your 140s, now's your time to get one.